Hello, children. Welcome to Royal Tuition Classes. We are going to start with the new of the solid figure, the last of the solid figure, I should say, rather. Okay, sphere. What is a sphere and what is an hemisphere? So these are the two last solid figures remaining. What is a sphere and what is a hemisphere? See, all the solid figures which are in the shape of a ball, like a ball itself, we can say a tennis ball, a season ball, a football, a volleyball, okay, basketball. All these balls are nothing but example of a sphere. They're not circle, children. They're round in shape, but they are solid figures. Okay, we call them as a geometrical name for it is spheres. A globe is an example of a sphere. A sphere has only one surface, children. A sphere has a radius r and it has got only one surface. Either call it as curved surface area of a sphere or call it as surface area of a sphere. It's one and the same. Just call it as surface area of a sphere or call it as, okay, curved surface area of a sphere. It is given by the formula 4 pi r square. Please have a look here. Area of circle is only pi r square. ये 4 times the area of circle है. 4 times the area of circle है. मतलब 4 into pi r square. Got it? Surface area of a square. Then what is the formula for volume, children? Please have a look here. Volume, remember, it's always cubic units. So 4 तो रहेगा ही, pi तो रहेगा ये r and r square नहीं, r square. Areas are usually square units. Volumes are cubic units. So that cubic is possible because it is r cube. Now 4 pi r cube. So divide this by 4 by 3 also, okay? So the formula volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Not difficult to remember, children. Got it? Easy to remember. Now hemisphere is half sphere. Hemisphere is nothing but half sphere. Hemisphere is nothing but half sphere. So a hemisphere has a curved surface. It has a curved surface, but it also has a round surface. It also has a round flat surface. मतलब हेमिस्फीयर के पास दो surfaces है. पहला तो कर्व सरफेस एरिया हो गया. कर्व सरफेस एरिया will be, please have a look here, same children, it should be half of 4 pi r square. Exact half of 4 pi r square. Half of 4 pi r square is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Then it has got two surfaces. So naturally total surface area, children, total surface area will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square. When you add them, you get 3 pi r square, 3 pi r square, 3 pi r square. So this is total surface area. Then, children, volume. The volume of a hemisphere should be exactly half of the volume of the sphere. अगर volume of the sphere को half से multiply किया, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So 2 upon 3 pi r cube it will become. Got it, children? So remember, children, in sphere only two formulas you should remember. One is surface area, second one is volume. In hemisphere, three sub areas you should remember formula. One is curved surface area, which is nothing but half of 4 pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. Then total surface area, children, total surface area will be, children, 2 pi r square plus pi r square, 3 pi r square. The volume is 2 upon 3 pi r cube, children. Okay, children? We go ahead with the sums now, sums of the exercise, okay? Practice set 9.3, question number 1, okay? Find the surface area and volumes of a sphere. All the following radii, 4 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 3.5 centimeter. So children, we are starting with this first part, okay? What is the radius of, I mean, we are talking about a sphere, okay? They want the surface area of the sphere and volume of the sphere. So what is the radius of the sphere, children, given to you as in the first one, 4 centimeter. They want me to find surface area of the sphere. What is surface area of the sphere, children? Surface area is equal to surface area of sphere equal 4 pi r square. Please have a look here. So 4 as it is. Pi is 3.14 into r square is 4 into 4. अभी देखो बेटा कैसा होता है. पहला 4 into 3.14 is 12.56. 12.56. 4 into 3.14 is 12.56 into 4 into 4. This 4 into 4 is 16. अभी 16 का टेबल मुझको आता है. 16 6 96. 9 carry over. 9 carry over. 16 5 80. 16 5 80. 80 plus 9 89. 8 carry over. 16 2s 32. 32 plus 8 40. 4 carry over. 16 ones are 16 plus 4 20. Okay, so now listen, two digits after decimal, so it should be 200.96 square centimeter. Okay, children, I repeat, children, 4 into 3.14 is how much? 12.56. 4 into 4 is how much, children? 16. Okay, 16 6 96, 9 carry over. 16 5s are 80, 8 carry over, 89. 16 2s are 32 plus 8, 40, 4 carry over. 16 ones are 16 plus 4, 20.96 square centimeter. Okay. Then, children, the next one they want is volume. Okay. Volume of a sphere. Please have a look at this. Volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Just to do your work little easy, see what I do. क्योंकि सरफेस एरिया इसका पहले निकालो. इसका वॉल्यूम निकालने के पहले हम सरफेस एरिया निकाल चुके हैं. वॉल्यूम निकालने के पहले हम सरफेस एरिया निकाल चुके हैं. तो काय को कैलकुलेशन डबल ट्रिपल कर देने का. देखो क्या कर रहा हूं. ये 1/3 और एक 4 को 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर अंदर एक ब्रैकेट में डाल देता हूं और एक आर बार रखता हूं. तो ये सबको आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फिर से 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. एक्चुअली 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब को हम ऐसा लिखे हैं 1/3 इंटू 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर इंटू आर. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते यही बनेगा. ये ऐसा क्यों लिखे? क्योंकि कैलकुलेशन में थोड़ा अभी हम लोग को राहत मिलेगा. देखो 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट सरफेस एरिया जिसका कैलकुलेशन हमने किया है 200.96. ओके. And what is the radius we got? Radius we got it as 4. Are you getting me here? Now you can see here, children, what happens. Again, easily multiply by 4 and divide by 3. 4 6 are 24. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 3 carry over. 4 200s are 800. 800 plus 3, 803. So now 2 digits after decimal. So here 3 divided by 3. Okay. Now when you have to divide by 3, I think orally we can do it. 3 2s are 6. Okay. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 20. 20. 3 6s are 18. 23. 3 7s are 21. 28. 3 9s are 27. 14. 3 4s are 12. 20. 6 are 18. 6 are 18. 6 are, I mean, it goes on. Okay. So ultimately it is 26794.67 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the first sphere, okay, when the radius is 4 centimeter. I hope everybody has done it. Okay, we've gone through it. We go to the next one. What is the radius now? The next one, radius is 9. Now the second one, children, radius is 9 centimeter. Radius is 9 centimeter, okay? So same way I'm going to do is I want surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere is given by the formula, children, 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So what is 4? Pi is 3.14. Pi is 3.14. 9 into 9. Please have a look here. 4 into 3.14. By heart kar lo, 12.56. To 4 into 3.14, 12.56. Into 9, into 9. Now, first with 1 9, I'm going to multiply. 9 6 first with this 9 will multiply. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. 9 5 are 45 plus 5, 50. 5 carry over. 9 12 are 108. 108 plus 5, 113.04 into 9. Again, 9 say 9 4s are 36. 9 0 0 plus 3 3. Okay, 9 3s are 27. 2. 9 1s are 9 plus 2 11. 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10. Okay, so what did you get? 101 1017.36 square centimeter. Next, children, I want volume. I want volume. I want volume. Volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube. So this is 4 upon 3 into 3 point. What did I do, children? I suggested we'll do a shortcut. Since volume का पहला हमने surface area निकाला है, तो surface area का फायदा उठा लो. क्या करो, फॉर्मूला को हम कैसे करते देखो, ये 4 upon 3 pi r cube है, 4 बाहर 1 upon 3 को बाहर लिखा हूं ब्रैकेट के बाहर, 4 pi r square को ब्रैकेट का अंदर लिखा हूं और एक r को ब्रैकेट के बाहर, सबको आपस को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो 4 upon 3 pi r cube हो जाएगा. Now this is 1, okay, 1 upon 3 into this 4 pi r square is nothing but surface area. Surface area is 1017.36 into radius is 9, okay. 3 ones are 3 threes are. आपको खाली 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 10, 11. 1 carrier, 3 7s are 21, 22. 3 ones are 3 plus 5, 2 5. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3. So this many centimeter cube, volume is so many centimeter cube. So I think fairly simple sum, children, not a difficult sum at all, okay? Now we move on to the third part where the radius is given as 3.5 centimeter. Small correction in this calculation. 3 6 are 18, 1 carry over, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. It should be, this should be 0, okay? 21, 22, that's all okay, okay, children. Now I want to do the third part. I said third part, no place, I rubbed it off. Third part, what is the radius given to you as 3.5 centimeter, children? So what is surface area? Surface area equal, same children, surface area equal 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. 4 into 3.14 into 3.5 into 3.5. So now when you look at it, children, this will become 12.56 into 35 upon 10 into 35 upon 10. So what will happen, children? Why did I do like this? Because it helps me to do the calculation orally. 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. So what happens is 12.56 multiplied by 7 into 7, the whole divided by 4. So you know, children, the multiplication of 7 table, 7 6 are 42. Okay, 4 carry over. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 3 carry over. 7 12s are 84 plus 3, 87. So it is 87.92 multiplied by 7, the whole thing divided by 4. Again, children, 7 2s are 14, 1 carry over. 7 9s are 63 plus 1, 64. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 6, 55. Okay. 7 5, 55. 7 8s are 56 plus 5, 61. So this is, when you multiply, 7 2s are 14, 1 carry over, 7 6s are 63 plus 1, 64, 6 carry over, 7 5s are 42, 42 plus 5, how much it will become? 42 plus, here I think there is some mistake we did. Okay, let us do the correction once again. Okay, 7 2s are 14, 1 carry over. 7 9s are 63, 64. Okay, 6 carry over. 7 7s are 49 plus 6, 55. 5 carry over. 7 8s are 56 plus 5, 61. The whole thing divided by 4. So how much you get, children? 4 1s are 4, 21. 4 5s are 20, 15. 4 threes are 12, 34, 4 eights are 32, 24, 4 six are 2 digits after decimal. So this should be it, square centimeter. I'm just trying to show you how do you do it orally, children. Okay, now surface area is over. Now there is no place for calculating a volume. So I better rub this off also. Now what is volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere is given by the formula 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of a sphere is given by the formula volume is equal to, children, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume equal 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 30. Oh, no need of doing it like this. Why? I just now remembered we have found out surface area is पहला. जब भी surface area रहेगा तो मैंने बताया 4/3 pi r cube को इस तरह से लिख देता हूँ 1/3 4 pi r square into, got it, r. Now look here, when you multiply this 4/3 pi r cube, now what happens? 1/3 into what I get, 153.86 into radius is 3.5. Now, when you multiply them, just have a look. 1 plus 3 is 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 6, 23. Not divided by 3, okay? So what you're going to do is, you're going to do the calculations here. 153 को 153.86 को 3.5 से पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. 5 6 30, 5 8 40, 43, 5 3 15 plus 4 19, 5 5 25 plus 1 26, 5 1 5 plus 2 7, 3 6 18, 3 8 24 25, 3 3 9 plus 2 11, 3 15 45 plus 1 46. Just write it once again. 3 6 18, 1 carry over, 3 8 24 plus 1 25, 3 3 9 plus 2 11, 3 5 15 16. Okay. Now when you add them, 0, 3 9 plus 3 11, 10 plus 5 15, 7 8, 6 13, 5. So when you get this, what do you get, children? 5 3 8 5 1 0. The whole thing divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 23, 7s are 21, 28, 29s are 27, 15, 5s are 15, 0, 3s are 9.333. Okay, what it is? Cubic centimeter. So I think a marathon calculation, children, but anyhow, sphere का हमेशा याद रखो, calculations बहुत आएगा, आपको करना है. Okay, now this is, oh, one thing, I'm so sorry. This is point here. I'm so sorry, children. The point should come here, the point decimal place. Okay, I did a mistake. Here, the point will come somewhere. There are 3 digits after decimal. When you multiply this, 3 digits, 538 it is. 538 point. Here point comes. So here it will come as, just have a look at this answer, children. The answer will be 179.5033. Okay, whatever it is. So if you want, you can write 179.5. Okay, 179.50 cubic centimeter. Okay, children, we go to the next sum. Question number 2. Now go to question number 2 of the exercise, children. Exercise 9.3 continued. If the radius of the solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter, then find its curved surface area and total surface area. What is given, children? Radius of the solid hemisphere. Radius of the solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter. Then find its curved surface area and total surface area. Tell me what is given for a sphere, for a Question number 2, I read it once again. If the radius of the solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter, find the chord surface area and total surface area. Simple question, children. Like solution, I told you, children, first what you do, we try to write it in sphere, short, okay? We are talking about which solid figure for a hemisphere. We are talking about a solid hemisphere. Here we are talking about a solid hemisphere. So for a hemisphere, okay? Now what will happen, children? Please, I will give you to write whatever is given in short, okay? What is given to us here, you can see here, the radius of the solid or the radius of the base, the radius of the solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter. Radius of the solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter. They're giving us a pi's value as 3.14. Now, first part of the question is curved surface area. Curved surface area, curved surface area of a hemisphere is, please keep in your mind how to remember. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So curved surface area should be half of 4 pi r square. That is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. 2 into, what is this? 3.14 into, what is this? Pi into pi. So naturally 25. This is 25. So when you multiply 25 by, please have a look here, 2 into 25 can be taken as 100. 100 multiplied by 100 divided by 4. That means 314 divided by 4. 4 sevens are 28. Okay, 4 sevens are 28, 34. 4 eights are 32. Okay, 20, 78.5. Okay, so when I multiply this two, how much answer I get, children? 2 pi's are 10, 1 carryover, 278 are 156. So this will become 157.0 square centimeter. So chord surface area is, how much you get, children? 157 square centimeter. Now, how will I get total surface area? Total surface area, total surface area. The second part of the question, total surface area I want, the total surface area is 3 pi r square, one curved surface, 2 pi r square plus round surface, base round surface, pi r square, 2 pi r square plus pi r square is 3 pi r square. So this should become 3 into, how much it is? 3.14, 3.14 into, sorry, I'll rewrite, children. It's so simple. 3 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. Multiplying by 25. 5 5 is 25. Multiply by 100 divided by 4. So when I multiply by 100, 314 it becomes. When I divide by 4, it becomes 78.5. So 3 into 78.5. Are you getting me? So how much you get? Simple. 3 5s are 15 children. 3 8s are 24, 25 children. 3 7s are 21 plus 2, 23. This many square centimeter. Children, very simple, 235 square centimeter. Okay. I hope question number 2 is clear, children. Now we go to next question. Question number 3, children. If the surface area of the sphere is 2826 centimeters square, then find its volume. Oh, what is very simple question, children? Like for a sphere, what is given? For a sphere, we are talking about a sphere here. Okay. What is given is surface area is given to you. Surface area is given to you. Surface area is how much, children? Surface area equal, surface area is given as 2826 centimeters square. And they want you to find the volume. Like surface area nikala hai. Surface area has a formula, children. Surface area has a formula. और surface area का value दिया है. Surface area का एक formula होता है. So naturally, the hint of the question, they use surface area formula. Okay. So what is surface area का formula in this sum, children? Surface area will be 4 pi r squared. Okay. So see how I go about. Surface area equal, I rewrite. Surface area equal 4 pi r square. Okay, substitute all the values, whatever you know, and whatever you don't know, you're going to get that. Okay, so what is surface area, children? 2826. 4 into. Now, they are not given us, they are given us a value of pi as 3.14. They want us to take the value of pi as 3.14. In the question, it's given like this. Pi is 3.14 into r square. So naturally, children, what am I going to do? 2826 is equal to 4 into 314 upon 100. You're shifting the decimal by 2 places to the right. Hence, 1 and 2 zeros to the right in the denominator into r square. Okay. Now, what will happen, children? 2826 multiplied by 100. The whole thing divided by 4 into 314 equal r square. So 314, if I'm not wrong, 9 times. 314, 9 times when you do, children, you're going to get this answer. Got it, children? Okay, so now what is left with? R square equal 9 into 100, the whole divided by 4. All are perfect squares. So take the square roots. R equal 3 into 10 upon 4. So how much you get, children? R is equal to 7.5, what it is, centimeter. Now, find the volume. Volume equal, children, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume equal 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay. Volume equal 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume equal 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So what am I going to do? Since surface area is given to us, children, I'm going to write it as 1 upon 3 4 pi r square into r. So this will become 1 upon 3 into 2826 into 7.5. So this 3 ones are 3 2.5s are. So this becomes 2826 multiplied by 2.5. So 25, 6 are 150. 15 carry over. 25 twos are 30. 30 plus 15, 45. 4 carry over. 25 fours are 8s are 200. 204, 20 carry over. 25 twos are 50, 70. How many digits after decimal? 1 digit after decimal. So answer is 7045 cubic centimeter. So the volume of the sphere is 7045 cubic centimeter. Got it, children? We go to the next sum, children. The next sum is very simple. Question number. Okay. Go to the next sum. Okay. Find the volume. Sorry, children, such a big blunder I did. Here, square root, r square is 9 into 100 upon 4. So naturally, when I try to find the square root, children, this 4 will become 2, children. This 4 will become 2. So naturally, 3 5s are 3 10s are 30. 30 divided by 2, that means the radius you get is 15. Radius you get is 15, okay? Once you get the radius as 15, now how do we go about, children? Volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So naturally, these things are wrong, children. Some calculation mistake. I thought about it. I stopped, okay, rechecked it in my notebook, okay? I did it in my notebook and got it right. 1 upon 3, what is 4 pi r square, children? 4 pi r square is 2826. 2826 multiplied by radius is 15. Now this 3 ones are 3 5s are. People can see 5 6 are 30, 5 twos are 10 plus 3 13, 5 8s are 40, 41, 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 14, okay? So you can see your children, what do you get as an answer is volume is equal to volume of the sphere is equal to, children, we get it as 14130 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Okay, children? Sorry, I did a calculation mistake in this sum. So little time got wasted. Anyhow, children, we go to the next sum, children. Children, question number 4. Children, find the surface area of a sphere if its volume is 38808 cubic centimeter. Pi equal 22 upon 7. Very simple, children. They're very easy. Surface area of the sphere you want to find if its volume. So solution, please have a look here. Volume is given to you, okay? See, for a sphere, we are going to write it in short. For a sphere, what is given, children? Volume. We have to write that. Volume is equal to how much, children? Volume is equal to 38808 cubic centimeter. That means a volume का तो formula होता है. Volume का formula होता है, children. That means the biggest hint of the sum. Arey, we have to use a formula volume, okay? And whatever in that formula is unknown, after substituting, we'll get the value. 4 of volume equal 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So when you look at it, volume is 38808 is equal to 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r cube. Now only r cube is unknown. That means r cube alone, जो नीचे ऊपर जाएगा, जो ऊपर है नीचे आएगा. 38808 multiplied by 3 into 7. The whole thing divided by 4 into 22. So when you do it, please have a look at r cube you'll get. Okay, so when you multiply, please have a look at 11 plus. This goes in 3 11 stable, okay? When 11 divisibility test, you can try, children. This number is divisible by 11. So 11, 2s are 22. 11, 3s are 33. So 5 remainder 58. 5s are 55. Okay, 3 remainder 30. 2s are 22. 8 remainder 88. 8s are, okay? Again, 2 का table में आता है 2. 2 1s are 2. 15. 2 7s are 14. 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. Again, 4 का table में जाएगा ये बेटा 4. 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are. So what do you get? 441 into 3 into 7 equal r cube. Now anybody, common sense, 21 square into 21 is equal to r cube. So 21 cube equal r cube. So what is r equal? R equal 21 centimeter. So what is the radius? They didn't ask me to find the radius, but I told you volume was given. So naturally you had to use the formula volume. What is unknown we are going to get? Radius I got. Now it will help you find the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of sphere. Shortcut, children. 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. This is 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Very simple, children. 7 1 times, 7 3 times. This is 88 multiplied by 63. When you multiply the 63 by 88, very easy to multiply. 8 3s are 24. 8 6 are 48, 50. So 504 again, since you are multiplying with 8 only, 504, 4455. So 55. Answer is 5,544 square centimeters. So surface area. I hope everybody got this sum. Pretty simple sum. For volume of a hemisphere is 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. We're doing question number 5, children. Volume of a hemisphere is 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. Find its diameter. We are talking about, children, when you see children, we are talking about what? A hemisphere. So I write in short for a hemisphere. I underline it, children. We are talking about hemisphere, children. Now, what is given about hemisphere here? They're giving us a volume, children. This volume is given. Volume is how much it is given, children. Volume equal 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. See, when volume is given, children, 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. So naturally, volume has a formula. So I told you indirectly, children, use a formula of volume. And what they wanted to find actually diameter is question mark. Diameter is twice radius, children. I want this diameter. So simple, children. Volume of a hemisphere formula is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Substitute whatever you know. This volume is 18,000 pi is equal to 2 upon 3 into pi into r cube. Now, when I look at it, pi gets cancelled. So 18,000 multiplied by 3, the whole thing divided by 2 is equal to r cube. Very simple, children. This 9s are, 2 1s are, 2 9s are. So 9,000 into 3 is equal to r cube. So 29 3s are 27 into 1,000 is equal to r cube. So r is equal to cube root of 27 is 3, of this is 10. So what is radius? R is 30 centimeter. Now I didn't want r, I want diameter. Diameter equal, children, diameter equal twice radius. 2 into 30. How much you get, children? 60 centimeter. A fairly easy sum, children. Exact. Good question for being asked for 2 marks. Okay. Now we go to the next sum, children. The next sum is question number 4. Find the radius of the sphere if its volume is 904.32 cubic centimeter. Find the radius of the sphere if its volume is 904.32 cubic centimeter. Pi is 3.14. They want us to take the value of pi as 3.14. Very easy sum, children. We are talking about a sphere, children. What is that for a sphere? I'll underline it. What is given about this sphere, children? When you look at it, what is given about this sphere is volume. Okay, what is given? Volume. And don't you realize, children, volume has a formula, children? Volume equal 904.32 cubic centimeter. But volume has a formula for itself. So that is the biggest hint. Use this formula. So what is the formula for volume? Volume equal, volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So what will happen, children? I'm going to substitute 904.32 is equal to 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into r cube. But r is not given, okay? They want us to find. So क्या आएगा बेटा? 90432 upon 100. I remove the decimal. Is equal to 4 upon 3. Here remove the decimal. Into r cube. So when I do, what I do? 90432 multiply by 3 multiply by 100. Whatever is there in the denominator will go to the top, and what is there in the numerator will come down. What is there in the numerator will come down, children. So when you do that, how much you get, children? When you look at it, how much you get? See, 100 down, this 100 down, already is there, 100 is there, 4 will come, 314 will be there. This is going to be r cube. This 100 and 100 gets cancelled. This goes in, if you look at it, 4 stable. Last 2 digits are divisible by 4, 32. So natural number is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8, 10. 4 2s are 8, 24. 6 are 4 6 are 24. 24. Okay, 0, 3. No, 3 is not going. So naturally 0. And what it is? 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. So how much you get? 22608. Okay, now when you multiply this, okay, 314 multiplied by 7 and see how much you get. 7 4s are 28, 7 1s are 7, 9, and 2198 I get. 7 1s are. Okay, I better do like this. 22608, na? 22608. divided by 314. Sevens are 314, sevens are 7 fours are 28, 7 ones are 7 9, 7 threes are 21, 2 to 1 sevens are 2198. So when you do it, 16 minus this is 7, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, this is what you get 7. Okay, 708. 314 not going. 4 ones, 4 twos are 8, 20. Okay, 4 twos are 8, 20. Array, 4 fives are 20. It should be 5 here. Okay, I'm so sorry, children. Once again, I did a calculation mistake here. Okay, what will happen here? This answer, when you multiply by 4, just have a look at it. 4 one time, 4 2 times 8, 4 2, 4 one time, 4 2 times 8. So naturally 10, 4 2 times 8, 6 are 24, 0, 8, 22608. Now 309, it is right. Huh? 08. Now what happens? Like when you try to cancel this out, 22608 divided by 3, what will happen? 314, sevens up. 7 fours are 28, 7 is 7, 9, 7 threes are 21, 2198. So when you do it, this is 10, 10 minus 8, 2, 15 minus 9, 6, 628 and 0. Okay, 628. Right, 302s are. So this is multiplied by 72, children. When you multiply by 72, it gets cancelled. 314. So ultimately, R cube is 72 into 3. Okay, so how much you get, children? R cube equal 24 threes. Oh. So you can see here, children. 3 twos are 6, 206, 216. This is nothing but R cube equals 6 cube. Okay, so R is equal to 6 centimeter. So I wanted a radius, children. I got radius as 6 centimeter. I got the radius as 6 centimeter. Okay, children. Now, what is the answer? Find the radius of the sphere. So it is 6 centimeter. Now we go to the next sum, children. Very simple question, children. Just here. If it find the volume of a sphere, if its surface area is 154 square centimeter, we are talking about a sphere, children, for a sphere. Okay, for a sphere. What is given to us? Always we write it out. Surface area is given. Surface area is given as surface area equal 154 square centimeter. Surface area has a formula, children. So better use a formula for surface area of a sphere. So what is that formula, children? Surface area of a sphere is, okay, surface area of a sphere is formula. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. 154 equal 4 into 22 upon 7 into r square. So what will happen? 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22. 22 sevens up. Okay, is 154. So r square equal 49 upon 4. Taking square root on both sides, 7 upon 2. That is r equal 10 upon 2 centimeter. But children, I want volume. Now you can go for the formula. Volume equal 4 upon 3 pi r cube. But I have told you, children, whenever surface area is given, you take advantage of it. 4, what I'll do, 1 upon 3, 4 pi r square bracket में और एक r bar. So what will happen? 1 upon 3. Tell me 1 upon 3 as it is. 4 pi r square. Please have a look at this. 4 pi r square is how much, children? 154. And what is radius given to you as 7 upon 2? So 2 ones are 277s are 7 sevens are 49. 4 539. The whole thing divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 22. 23. Sevens are 29. 21. 2 remainder 29. 3 nines are 27. 6, 6, 6. It goes on. So correct. So 179.6867 square. Sorry, this is volume, children. It's volume. We have found it out. It should be cubic centimeter. So I think it's a fairly simple sum. So all sums of this surface area and volume has been done by me in the 6 lectures. Okay, children, you go to the 6 lectures. This chapter should be thorough for you. Well, thank you, children.